Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Myself, MD Asatullah. I am one of the trainee of Business Development and Merchandising course under the guidance of SICIP from International Standard University. First and foremost, the Skills for Industry Competitiveness and Innovation program called SICIP is being implemented an important program by BGMEA in partnership with the Ministry of Finance, Government of Bangladesh, funded by Asian Development Bank. Apart from this, SICIP designed some prestigious training courses like supply chain management, business development and merchandising, computer aided design, and so on. In addition, the goal of is which is to develop in our RMC sector, the Bangladesh economy will stronger and more prosperous. However, I am currently taking training business development and merchandising course from International Standard University, which is the sister concern of Standard Group. It has advanced industry-driven curriculum, expert teaching staff and lead trainer, digital infrastructure with advanced multimedia. They also give us hands-on practices and project-based training materials. In conclusion, I would like to express my heartiest gratitude to ADB, which is assistance financial support to develop our unemployed, disabled, poor and married youth in the developing countries like Bangladesh. Thank you SICIP, thank you BGMEA as well as my training institute to such a great opportunity. Thank you to all.